Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Freely, and today we have a very special unboxing. Today we're gonna be unboxing the M6. The M50, oh my goodness. Today we're gonna be unboxing the M50. So let's get right into it right now. So first off, we got a big box, we got a little box, and charger cable thingy. That's that. Let's open the small box first. We have the lens. Done with the small box, now the big box. So we got the M50 user manual. Wow, it's an actual user manual, unlike the M6's one. Nice little strap, battery, another charging cable, battery charger, and the actual body. Now we're done with the big box. Okay, this is the 15 to 45 millimeter lens that comes with the M50. And here's the M50 itself. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, so here it is. Here's the M50 body right here. And it feels pretty solid. It's different from the M6 body because it's more of a plasticky feel, but don't let that deter you, but it's a really solid. Like if I were to go out and shoot with this, like I wouldn't really mind. Okay, let's go put the lens on right now. But look at that. There you go. With it on, it's still not that heavy. It feels slightly better than the M6 because I currently have the M6, and the thing that annoys me a little bit about the M6 is that it's hard to fit in your hand. Not that it doesn't fit, but it's so small to the point where it's kind of uncomfortable to hold. But this is like, I feel like they really got it. The fit for my hand, at least, on this is really good. So let's put the battery in right now. Let's see if it's on. Oh yeah, there you go. Now it's on. I didn't need to charge it, so it has a charge already on it. But look at that, that's just beautiful. Flip out screen that comes up to the side. That's one of the main complaints I had with the M6, is that it flipped upwards and took out the need for a viewfinder, and you can't put the mic on top. So the M50 really was good for me because flipped out to the side. But anyway, let's just set this up real quick. Hold on. Okay, so I have it all set up already. Apart from the screen that pops up to the side, the thing that I really liked is that the viewfinder, it has a viewfinder. Coming from the M6, it was kind of not hard to, but it was weird to take photos with no viewfinder. I'm so used to having a viewfinder on like other cameras and having a no viewfinder, and it's kind of like taking pictures like this. Especially when it's really bright outside, it's hard to take pictures because then you're like trying to look and what the screen looks like to see what your picture looks like. So the addition of the viewfinder is really good. Another good thing about the viewfinder is it helps you take more stable photos, because when you're holding out like this, you're less stable. And when you have it like this, it adds 3 points of stability, 2 hands and your eyebrow. So you end up taking more stable pictures and less motion blur. On the M6, it didn't have a viewfinder, so you would have to buy an attachment to put on top here. And just having an electronic viewfinder built onto the camera is more convenient. And you also have a flip-up flash right there. And you also have your HDMI on the sides, HDMI ports right here on the side. Here's the mic input here on the side, right there. Another cool thing with electronic viewfinder is that it's different from a regular DSLR viewfinder, the single lens reflex one on DSLRs, or because DSLR, but is that when you're looking into this viewfinder, electronic one, is that pretty much you're getting whatever's on the screen here in a smaller view right here, compared to like bigger cameras like DSLRs, where when you're looking through the viewfinder, you pretty much is a real life view. Like what you're seeing in there is what you're seeing in real life. The electronic viewfinder is this screen, but then like in here in a smaller view inside the viewfinder. It gives you a look of what the end result of what the picture would look like right here. An example for that would be if you're shooting with a DSLR in the night, and you're looking through the regular DSLR viewfinder, it'll pretty much look dark. Like you can't see anything. But if you look through an electronic viewfinder and you had it on, say like the auto settings, and you look through it electronically, it'll boost the ISO up, and then what you're seeing in there would be the camera's compensating for the darkness. So when you look through it like that, the ISO would be higher, so it would be brighter, and then you can see. So that's what's cool about the electronic viewfinder. You kind of get like what the camera is gonna see in the end, in the end result. Okay, so here's the screen. It's pretty cool. It's very clean and very responsive. It's really nice. It has a little beeping sound if you can hear that when you're tapping on things. Pretty sure you can turn it off somehow, but yeah, it's really responsive. Look at that. You can easily change your settings, the shooting mode or the movie recording quality. Tap it there. You say you want to turn on 4K. Turn on 4K. Hit OK, and then now it's in 4K with that little 4K crop in here. But that's fine. I think that's totally fine. But yeah, the screen's really good. The focusing on here is really nice too. The tap to focus. Oh well. The battery just died, but I can cover that in another video. But yeah guys, that is the end of this video. So thank you guys for watching this short little unboxing and first impressions kind of video. I'm gonna probably be making a review later on when I have time. Maybe, I'm not sure if I will, but keep a lookout for that. I'm also going to be making a M50 versus the M6 video, and why I bought the M50, because in my opinion I like the M50 better than the M6. So I'm going to be making a video on a little comparisons and whether, you know, the M50 is right for you or if it's better than the M6. But yeah, keep a lookout for that video also. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Take a look at the other videos on the channel, and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share with people who might benefit from this video. Take a look at my other videos on the channel. I have a lot of other content on here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and catch you later.